Hello guys, we will show you how to get max FPS in Call of Duty. Like if you're playing Call of Duty on your iPhone 6s, 7 or 7 Plus and you want max FPS in it, so you'll have to jailbreak your iPhone device. Okay, after jailbreaking you'll get this Cydia application. Just open Cydia and search anywhere. Okay, here it is. This anywhere application. Just open it and follow the same step that I'm doing. Okay. Okay, it's done now. Okay, it's done now. Now open your game. Now let's check our graphic setting. See, we are getting max FPS in iPhone 6s.